Welcome to Jayshree's kitchen. I'm going to make black bean burger today. So I am roasting the black bean. I put it for 10 minutes on 325, 10 minutes on 325. And I'm taking it out right now because it is done. It has been 10 minutes. So this is my black bean, which is done in the oven for 325. And now I'm going to change my oven to 375 to bake my burgers. Okay, so anyway, so in black bean burger, my ingredients are, I'm going to let the black bean cool down. So I bought this black bean organic from Costco, and it comes in like 8 packs. I bought that anyway. And then I rinse it and I pat it dry a little bit, and I drain it and pat it dry and put it in the oven on 325 for 10 minutes. So it can a little bit dry out. You don't want to dry out too much, but you want just dry so you can make your patties. So I have a onion, which is half a cup, and half a cup of bell pepper, which is red green pepper, big one, bell pepper anyway. And then I have 1/3 cup of corn, which is frozen. I have a half a bunch of cilantro. And my spices are 2 tablespoons of paprika. It's going to be spicy burgers. So if you want less, you can put less, but I'm putting 2 tablespoons. And then I'm putting smoked paprika, half a tablespoon. So this is smoked paprika, half a tablespoon. Then I'm putting chipotle powder, chipotle chili powder, which is I'm putting half a tablespoon. I'm putting half tablespoon of cumin, which is crushed. This is roasted cumin, which I make it at home. I roast on the stove. Yeah, so roasted cumin. And this is the chipotle powder, which looks like this, which is from McCormick. And this smoked paprika is from McCormick too. I have 1 tablespoon of garlic. And I have a 6 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. This is 6 tablespoons. And I have a 4 tablespoon of arrowroot powder, which I can show you the package. What does it look like? Hold on. So arrowroot powder looks like this. So you can buy it. Okay, so these are my ingredients. Now I'm going to start sauteing. So what I'm doing, I don't want to put raw onions. I'm sauteing it. And I put it on the saute function for 4 minutes right now. It's on 4 minutes, yeah. And I'm sauteing the onion. So while it's sauteing the onion, after a couple minutes, I'm going to put red pepper in my corn. So we have to wait until it sautes. So while it's sauteing, I'm going to finish over here. I'm going to blend my beans. So you want to come over here. So what I'm doing, my beans, I am really blending 1/3 and 2/3 I'm keeping it whole. So yeah, so really I'm just doing a little bit. So roughly, I'm really doing it. I'm not like doing totally, but look at this. Just like roughly. So taking it out in my bowl. And while my onion is sauteing, it's still sauteing. And I'm going to add all my beans, which I bake for 10 minutes. So I'm adding all my beans right now. So let's see what the onion is doing. I just want all the water to get dry out. Not all, but kind of almost. So, and now I'm adding red peppers. I'm doing that. And then I'm adding my corn. So this is going right now. So, and really, I'm adding my garlic too in sauteing. It can saute nicely. So I add onion, red pepper, corn, and garlic. So I add those four things for sauteing right now. Then I'm going to saute my spices. It's already 3 minutes gone in sauteing. I think it takes almost like 4 minutes, I would say, for sauteing. 4 minutes, yeah, you can do for 4 minutes. But you don't want totally to get dry out. So we have to be careful. Then I'm going to add my paprika. So I already add my paprika. I already add my chipotle powder. And I am using my smoked paprika. I put that. And then I'm putting my cumin. And you do it really for a minute or so, you know, when you put your all the spices. So it can be nicely roasted and so my 4 minutes are done altogether. So I am going to turn it off and I'm going to put this thing over here in this mixture. And you know, if you want to put salt, you can put salt. If you have a high blood pressure or if you have any health problems, then don't put the salt, you know. But I am really trying to, because you know, a lot of people cannot live without salt. So I'm using light salt, which is 50% less sodium, which is by Morton. That's what I'm using today. So if you need to use the salt. And really, it tastes amazing, this thing is. So if you don't put salt, it still tastes great. So really, and you're eating it with all the condiments, so it will even taste better. So I'm putting a little salt here. And then I'm putting 4 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. I am putting cilantro. I'm putting 6 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And I am going to just put everything together. I am using the glove. My hands are, yeah, so the thing is, These burgers are so amazing and so tasty. It's really this. All the recipes goes on YouTube next day or within couple hours. So in the recipe will go to. So it will be available on YouTube videos in couple hours. So really, yeah. So this is the dough. And now, usually what you can do, you can take 1/3 cup of the measurement, like a cup measurement, if you really want to. So I think this is the 1/3 cup measurement, if you want to use it, like, you know, to make the patties, to make the burgers. So you can just, you know, you're using this much.
Which nutritional yeast you are using?
Huh?
Nutritional yeast.
I already did.
Which one?
I'm using my Brax. BRAGGS, Brax. I can show you the bottle. And what I'm doing, I'm really using the silicone mat by Saute. So I don't have to use any oil, because in my recipe I'm not using any oil, I'm not using any sugar. I'm using a little bit salt. And really, don't make such a big burgers. Just take a 1/3 cup of the measurement, and because it really, then it will cook evenly, you know. Otherwise, when you make such a big burgers, it might not cook evenly. So I usually know like what was 1/3 cup, but you can measure it, and if you really can eyeball, that's fine too. So you can make all the patties. So once you are done with all the burgers making, what you can do, you are going to put these burgers on 375. Total is 20 minutes. You are going to bake 10 minutes on one side, then you are going to flip it and bake again on 10 minutes on the other side. And check, you know, it's golden brown. So this is really, I think you can make all the burgers and stick it in the oven. So anyway, I'm sticking in the oven this many right now. So and this is the burgers. I made it. I made it yesterday. These are the burgers we ate for dinner, so I don't have that many to show. But this is the burgers, and I'm making small, you know, kind of, because you can eat it alone. You can eat with the condiments. You can eat with really, you can saute the mushroom. You can saute the onion. You can saute the bell peppers. You can eat with salsa. You can with avocado. You can eat with avocado salsa, which I gave you the recipe before. You can really use any condiments you want to use. You know what I mean? You can use sriracha. So, and sometimes we eat with like kind of we eat with lettuce and we eat with sprouted bun. So I'm going to show you this sprouted bun, which is by this company, and it looks like this. So we eat with buns or we eat with the lettuce, and this is the black bean burger. This is my nutritional yeast by Brax. And I order from Amazon. Amazon is a lot cheaper. So I buy like 3 bottles. I think they have in 3 packs. They have in 1 pack. So instead of cheese, I just use nutritional yeast in a lot of things. So this is my veggie burger and this is my black bean burger. And this is my recipe. And thank you so much.
YouTube.
And it will go on YouTube. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay.